Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this new hose. This one is Hozelock Tuffhoze. So it's compared to traditional hoses, this one is up to 50% lighter and kink free and super tough and durable. This one is 25 meters, and also the fittings are compatible with other accessories. Okay, so I'll show you the other side of the box. So as you can see here, it's a Hozelock Quick Connect system compatible with all accessories and brands. You can see this part. So number 1, the number 2 is durable plexi nut. Then 3 is guaranteed leak-free fittings to ensure watertight connection. This part. And 4, Duratech PVC inner. So there are 2 parts of the hose. Then this one is a tough fiber, ensures enhanced durability and ultra lightweight. So that is the pipe, the outer layer of the hose. And also, as you can see here, this one is also compatible with the water blaster. And good thing is they said it can have a 30 years guarantee. Okay, let's see. I'll open this now. So still sealed with the tape. Okay. So 25 meters, but still really light. Okay. So the other end comes with this one. Probably this one can be loosened. Then this one is compatible with other accessories. So I can just pull this out. Then the other end is the nozzle, spray nozzle. So I can adjust this one. Okay, yep. And unplug this one. Then push it in. I'll try this one outside. Okay. Alright, we'll try this one. So first, need to match this one. So I need to remove this. Then try to plug this in. Is it like this? No. I also need to remove this. Then try to plug this in. Then on the other end is a hose. So just try to start, open the faucet. Then now it's coming out. Try it here. Then I try to turn this off to close the faucet. Then release. Now no more pressure. Then I will try to remove this one. Then I'll try with my old one. Try to open again. And it works. Really good. No leak at all. Okay, just close this one. Okay, so just put this back. Woo. Rider is really good. You can see this is really soft. Then you can bend it. Unlike the traditional hoses like this, very hard. This one is really soft. It's really good. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.